A small backyard can be more than just a patch of land behind a house. With the right vision, it can become a personal retreat. A space where modern design meets natural beauty, where greenery softens the edges of structure, and where every square foot feels alive. Transforming a compact outdoor area into a lush, functional living space is not about size. It's about creativity, balance, and thoughtful design. Modern backyard design begins with flow. The goal is to make the area feel open and connected, no matter how limited the space may be. Clean lines, smart zoning, and carefully chosen materials help create that sense of harmony. A small patio or deck made from wood or textured stone sets the foundation. It defines the space and gives it purpose. An outdoor room that feels complete. From there, greenery becomes the soul of the transformation. Lush plants instantly change the energy of any small backyard. Layers of foliage, from tall bamboo and palms to low ferns and ground covers, add texture and depth. The trick lies in combining structure with softness. Vertical gardens or climbing plants can turn plain walls into living backdrops, while raised planters or narrow beds bring life along pathways and seating areas. Each plant placement should feel deliberate, forming a natural rhythm that draws the eye through the space. Lighting plays an essential role in setting the mood. In small backyards, subtle lighting can make the area feel both larger and more inviting. Warm light under seating, small lanterns among plants, or low garden lamps outlining walkways create a calm glow after sunset. The light doesn't have to be bright, it just has to be gentle, enough to highlight shapes, shadows, and texture. When paired with greenery, it transforms even the simplest backyard into a peaceful escape. Modern furniture and design elements bring function and comfort together. A small seating area with sleek chairs, a low table, or a built-in bench works best for limited spaces. Modular furniture that can shift and adapt to different uses makes the area flexible for both relaxation and entertaining. Neutral tones, soft grey, beige or wood, blend easily with the greens of the garden. A few cushions in natural fabrics add softness without cluttering the view. Water features are one of the most effective ways to introduce calm. Even in a small space, a simple wall fountain, a narrow reflecting pool, or a stone basin creates movement and sound. The gentle trickle of water masks city noise and connects the design back to nature. Combined with lighting and plants, it becomes the emotional centerpiece of the backyard, something that feels alive even when the space is still. Textures and materials are what give modern design its strength. Stone, wood, glass and metal can work together when used thoughtfully. A wooden deck paired with concrete planters or a black steel railing next to green vines creates beautiful contrast. The key is balance, rough with smooth, dark with light, natural with man-made. These quiet contrasts keep the eye engaged and the space feeling complete. Luxury doesn't always come from size. It comes from the care in every detail. The choice of materials, the balance of colour, the presence of plants, and the way space invites you to slow down. A well-designed small backyard doesn't just extend your home, it expands your peace of mind. If you're inspired to bring your own backyard to life, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves modern design, and subscribe for more ideas on creating beautiful spaces that feel timeless and calm. Tell us in the comments what feature you'd love most in your outdoor area: the greenery, the water element, or the soft evening light. Until next time, may your home, inside and out, feel open, peaceful, and beautifully yours.